Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Ford Kuga titanium. It's got a full Ford service history. It's 2 keys, lovely colour, don't see many in this colour. Drives absolutely lovely, does not look or drive like the mileage. It's privacy glass to the rear, lovely alloy wheels, park distance control. It works lovely. Boot area, all very nice and clean. It's a lot of car for the money. Being the titanium, it's got the half leather, all the seats are in lovely condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors, auto headlights. It's done 111,616 miles. It's cruise control, look at that, starts on the button, sounds lovely. Climate control, Ford sync, centre armrest, USBs, 2 USBs in there, 6-speed gearbox. That sounds lovely. Let's have a look. We've got Bluetooth connectivity, visual and audio park distance control, satellite navigation, we'll load up in a minute, audio, it's got DAB as well, I said satellite navigation there as well. It's all very easy to use, user friendly, lovely car. DJH with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.